friends, and welcome to Physics and Mathematics lovers. In today's tutorial, we shall continue with the topic on physics, vector addition. There is a question on the board, but before we solve this question, please do not forget to share this video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Physics and Mathematics lovers. Remember the last time I gave background knowledge of vectors and scalar quantities. I told you that vector quantities are those quantities that have what? Both magnitude and what? Direction. Now, vector addition. Look at the question on the board. Two forces, X and Y, with magnitude 3 Newton and 4 Newton respectively, acting along the same direction. Find the resultant force. Find the resultant what? Force. So now, one thing about vector addition, we have the cases. Number one, the first case, if the vectors are acting in the same what? Direction on a body. So the resultant is obtained by what? Addition of the two what? Forces. Now, what about that resultant? What does that mean? When we talk about resultant, it is that single vector which combine two or more vectors together so that we have the same effect as what compared to what? The three forces. Now look at this one. Solution. We have what? Vector X, vector S, and what? Vector Y. They are what? Acting on a body along the same what? Direction. So, and we said that what the value of this one is what? 3 Newton. Then this one is what? 4 Newton. This is 4 Newton. Now, according to vector addition, when they are acting along the same direction, we add. So your resultant R will be equal to what? 3 plus what? 4 Newton. So which means we are going to have a resultant as equal to what? 7 Newton. See this? So this is for the first case. Now let me just use this one to illustrate opportunity. When the two forces or two vectors are acting in opposite direction, so to get their resultant, you are going to subtract. Let's say, for example, we have vector X now, it's acting this direction, and vector Y is acting opposite to this what? So this is what? 3 Newton, and this is what? 4 Newton. What I am going to do here, to get my resultant here will be equal to this 4, the highest vector. So minus what? The lowest. So which will 4 minus what? 3. It will give me equal to 1 Newton. So this is about what? Simple vector addition. Now this is in the case where the vectors are not acting at an angle. So the next example I am going to illustrate is when they are acting at what? An angle. That is where we use a trigonometry method or even graphical method. Do not forget to share this video as you have watched this video. Remember, I told you vector what? Addition. When acting in the same direction, we add the two vectors to get what? The resultant. Whether 2 or 3, we add all of them together to get the resultant. Now, when they are acting in opposite direction, so we subtract the small one from the what? The highest what? Value. That is how we obtain what? The resultant. Thank you. Share this video. God bless you.